welcome to the 5th episode of the show with no name. Guess what? Andrew's back.
Are we filming?
Yes.
Oh.
Say hi. Hi. And it's snowing! Yeah, come here. Let me show you.
Do you see the
Snow. I don't know. Like what? Filming.
Filming the snow.
You can sort of see it. You can see it on the deck, but I don't know if you people can see it falling. Here, let me get you a better view.
If he can.
See, it's snowing. Ah! I'm stuck outside now! I got stuck. Pow! Oh, look. I broke it. No, you didn't.
Was that funny?
No, not really. Well, for the peoples, I guess it is. I guess it was sort of funny. And that concludes our segment of Snowy Day! No. We still have 3 minutes to go. Andrew! What are you doing? Oh, he's not dead.
I'm awake.
Do something funny.
Like what?
I don't know, be yourself. If we were at school, this would be way better. I mean, the show. I mean, 'cause it'd be entertaining, I guess. 'Cause we're mischief makers.
What should I do?
Do something with the shoe.
Remember this?
Oh, yeah. That was from the 3rd episode, wasn't it?
Yes.
You threw the shoe?
Yeah.
I remember.
That hurt.
How did you run around the park that fast? Tell us.
I used the sword.
You did?
Cool. Oh, wait, I mean...
Good for you. Ah! Hey, Barrett! Hey, Barrett! Hey, Barrett! Hey, Barrett! He's ugly.
Shut up. Viewers, you all smell like crap.
You all smell like crap. Uh-oh. Bad Barrett!
Alright, I think you shut up now.
Okay.
Turn the camera that way and distract the viewers.
Okay. La 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 la.
Wait, listen to the camera.
Okay. Why do I have my camera stolen every episode since episode 4? It's Crazy Frog. Die.
You kicked me! Jeez. Okay. Hey, no! Not the shoe!
Ah! Uh-oh.
Go away.
You gonna take a crap?
Yeah!
There goes the shoe. Viewers! He's going to the bathroom! Let us... What did you do? You did? I thought you could just flush the toilet.
Or that. Hey, have the viewers met your cat yet?
My cat? Where is he?
Up there.
My cat!
Yeah.
Here's my cat.
Meow.
Kitty doesn't like camera.
That I should make it more appropriate.
And we're all on. This concludes the show with no name episode